Okay, so today we are going to be doing our number talk for Monday, and we have two review questions. These are both fraction questions, and one of them is adding and one of them is subtracting. So before we get started, I'm going to give you a few reminders on how to add fractions. And so one reminder is we need common denominators. If you don't have common denominators, then you're going to need to find those. And so if you don't have them, you could be finding a common denominator by making an E of t or by using wonderful 1. Okay? And once you find your common denominator, remember you need to rename / setup problem below, solve, and then finally ask yourself, is this answer simplified into lowest terms? Okay, so I tell you what I'm going to do today. I'm going to help you get this first problem set up, and then I'm going to let you pause the video and I want you to solve it, and then I'm going to help you get this one set up, and then I want you to pause the video and solve it. Then you'll need to check in with your teacher for the correct answer. Alright, so when I first see 3/8 plus 4/5, and I notice that I do not have common denominators. So one thing I might want to do is use the space down here as provided, 3/8 and 4/5, and use that to make an E of t. So I'm going to start with my smaller denominator amount, which would be 5, and I'm going to skip count by 5. 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm going to stop there and add the top. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, we make this one 4, 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So as I scan below, I'm not seeing any common denominators, but I'm seeing that if I extended my 5 just a little bit more, I might get to 40. So let me see. So that'd be 5, 25, this would be 30, 35, and 40. And then skip counting by 4s on the top. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. Alright, so now that we've got common denominators, we can set this up. And so another name for 3/8 is 15 over 40. And another name for 32 over 40. Or another name for 4/5 is 32 over 40. Now that I've got common denominators, I can go back and I've renamed, I've set it up, I can go back and solve, and then ask myself if this is a simplified answer. I need you to pause the video, solve it, and then go and check in with your teacher. Do that now.